Good morning, everybody. Charlie here with Red Summit RF, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the Sierra Ancha Mountains, and we are doing 2 to 3 summits. I am with Brian. He's over there. We'll see him in just a minute, but we came up in his FJ. First order of business is to get up a road, a 2-mile hike up to the top to activate McFadden Peak. There's a tower up there, a lookout tower that isn't used anymore. But I have with me the X5105 that is on loan from me, from Jason at Ham Radio 2.0. Thank you, Jason. We'll be using that today on both the 2 or 3 summits that we do. So we will hit this road. Right now it's closed. We would be able to drive up to the top if it were open, but it's not. So we'll be hiking those 2 miles up and make those contacts. So let me get over here to Brian and have him say hi real quick.
Good morning. This is Brian W7JET talking to Wilson here with Charlie. We're getting ready to go hike up to McFadden Peak. It's a tough one. Just kidding. It's just a road that we're going to hike up to the top. Normally this gate might be open and we might not have to put all this effort in to get up there, but really it's just a 2-mile walk up a forest road to a lookout that's no longer manned, but whole bunch of electronic equipment up on top now. I guess that's the direction they're going in with these things. Should be a nice day. It's not going to be too hot.
Yeah, what is it, about 70 right now, I think?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's going to be all sun going up and coming down, but still should be a good time. And
busy weekend.
Busy weekend since the Labor Day. Lots of people out. So I guess we'll get up on top and see what happens.
So you can see probably above Brian's head, a little bit to the left, up at that high point, the lookout tower, and that is our destination. And then if you look off to the left, off in this direction here, really beautiful, right there, in fact, those 3 or 4 little humps you see there, that is Brown's Peak, and beyond that is Phoenix. So we're about 2.5 hours away from the Phoenix area. Whew. A steep road.
They've got that controllable camera up there now. I don't know why they would need anybody up here, you know?
Yeah. All right, we made it, guys. On top, here's the summit. Lookout, 7,135 feet. And looks like it was much less than 2 miles. It was 1.4 miles to the top, so not bad. So let's get set up here and we'll show you what's next. All right. 21062. Not sure I like that. Looks like we're gonna have to, looks like the internal recorder doesn't work with this radio for some reason. We'll have to figure that out later. So we'll have to go audio. There we go. We got it. That took a little bit. Let's try. Where are we going now? What?
You put up an alert, right?
No, yeah.
The skimmer should pick you up.
Should.
I got picked up on 40. BWR.
Well, all right, guys, that is it for this activation for McFadden Peak. It was kind of a little weird. I was trying to learn the radio. A few things didn't go well, and so I spent a lot of time trying to do that. So I only got 9 contacts, which is okay. I mean, I only need 4 really. But apparently my external recorder, when I plug it in the radio, it really isn't working good. And then I had to try to figure out some of the things going on with my paddle. So it wasn't adjusted properly. So anyway, long time with few contacts, but that's all right. We're gonna head down now and we're going to do the next summit coming up. All right, guys, we're doing the second peak. It's called Squaw Peak. Looks like there's been somebody in here with some heavy equipment, bulldozing some stuff around. Check it out. It's some dirt piles. Brian just disappeared for some reason. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is over there. Anyway, we'll get back on the X5105, see if we can figure some more stuff out. And this is a short hike. Where are we going? Just right up there. Very short hike. But it's all off trail, so still not too bad. 8-pointer. We're there yet?
Practically.
Wow, look there. That's beautiful. It is a short hike, but it is one steep mother. Ooh. It's kind of thick in here too. Well, at least there's not a American flag all tattered there anymore.
Yeah.
Annoys me when people take American flags up the top of summits, just leave them there, and then the wind tatters and shreds them, and then they're just still left up there. No respect. All right, Brian's set up right here. He's got 2 meters is what he's running right now with this little fishing pole there. And he has a Begala Adventures, but it's a single lever. And he's using the UKIT's HB1B. And I'm gonna come over here.
All right, Charlie, 20's tapped out, so I'm good.
All right.
More than qualified to summit. So you like the strap?
It looks cool.
I said this is not complete. Literally, this is just a piece of metal that I'm holding underneath a elastic Velcro strap.
Hey, that's cool looking.
But it does what it needs to do for now. I want to make it a little bit more secure. But so far I like it. The magnets are actually very good on the base of this thing.
Yeah. All right.
It doesn't move. The only thing that moves is the strap on my leg, and that's just because it's not tight enough right now. I think if I make it tighter, it'll be, yeah, that's better. It just needs to be tight. It just needs to be tightened.
All right, let me get my setup going. 40 meters, it looks like what I'm going to be doing. Here's the key. It's on 20 right now. Seven oh. 3 2 3 3. Also, I'll go 3 3. Gotta change the speed. Because every time it changes on me.
Do you want to try the Bengali?
No. It's this radio, I think. Okay, that will do it for this activation. I am doing my final report here at home because I had the final action report recorded up on the mountain, but there was music we were playing in the background. And so I was afraid that the YouTube algorithm would give me a copyright strike, so we're just gonna avoid that altogether. I did encounter a little bit of problem with sending Morse code on this activation, and I think there may be a problem with the radio, with the internal keyer of the radio. I'll have to figure that out by doing some practice testing at home. It may be that I don't have the Actually, I know I don't have the latest firmware, and it may be that as a cause that I need to get that latest firmware up in order to solve this problem. We'll try it out on the next activation. We'll try to get that newest firmware uploaded, and we'll see what happens there. I also had a problem with feedback in the output audio jack. I don't know if that's indicative of the radio itself or if it was just circumstances around with everything surrounding and how I had things set up. So I'll keep an eye on that on upcoming activations and see if that was just a one-time deal. Another thing that I learned is that the speed that's indicated in the radio does not match the actual speed for Morse code. When I got here home, I checked the RBN networks, and all of them that I checked had me sending at 18 words a minute, but I had the radio set to at least 20 for all of my activations, so I think that there's a problem there. And also, when I turn the radio off, a couple of things reset on the Morse code settings, two most important ones in fact, and that is the paddle orientation and the speed. It doesn't keep those settings, and so that's a problem. Maybe that's something the firmware will fix as well, so we'll see. So thank you for watching and visiting this channel. I really appreciate all of you. I hope you enjoyed this particular video and will come back and watch more. I'll say 73 to you and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.